Hi everybody, have you ever heard somebody say that they're going to do a V&V study? Please don't say that, because there's actually 4 different types of Vs. I'm going to go over 2 of them right now. The first one is process validation. The second one is device or design validation. They're 2 completely different things. Now we're talking about the validation side. We'll get into verification later. But with the process validation, you're talking about the process output. What is the output of that process? And it can't be fully verified. So if the output is not fully verifiable, then you must validate that process. By doing that, you have to identify the critical inputs into that process. So once you've identified those inputs, it's usually the 5 M's: man, machine, method, material, and Mother Nature or environment. Those get identified, identify which ones you can control, and you've got to be controlling those inputs. It's usually done with the IQ, OQ, PQ method. Now, going to the device validation, you're now talking about the medical device intended use, okay? So we gotta make sure that we're identified clearly what the intended use of the device is. And then at that point, once you've completed your medical device design, you go back to ensure that that design meets its intended use, the intended user needs, okay? So that's the first 2 V's, if you will, the process validation and the design validation. We'll get into the design verification and process verification in another minute. Thanks again. This is Darren Reeves from DP Distribution and Consulting. This has been your DP Minute, and we'll see you next time.